classy people, welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal here of Crystal's Classy Life. In today's video, we are about to clean the carpet with the Tide and the Borax solution that we talked about in my last video upload, which was the Ibotta haul. Yeah, that coupon video. Y'all said y'all missed me. I appreciate it so very much. All of your support. You all are amazing. All right, so first thing we're going to do, and you've got to do this when you're cleaning carpet, you've got to vacuum your area really good. So let's look at these stains on this carpet. First of all, this carpet is as old as the house, okay? This house is, what, 20-some years old, okay? Probably about, it's 2023, so this house is probably like 23 years old. The carpet's 23 years old, okay? So show it some grace. This is the green room, which is my film room, my dressing room, my craft room, all of those things, okay? So let's look at the stains. First of all, I don't know what the ham sandwich this is right here. I don't know what that is, okay? I'm going to vacuum up. There might be some beads on the floor because I told you this is my craft room, all right? Now, we got some spots over here that I see. That's a dark spot. That's some dark spots right there. Honestly, my desk used to be over here in this area, so I'm not quite sure what the heck that is, y'all. So let's just see how it turns out. Yeah. You know, it is what it is. I mean, the carpet's old. It's got some age on it. Let's see what happens. Okay, now, even though we vacuumed, you see that spot is still definitely there, okay? And hey, the other ones are still there too. Like somebody been dribbling in here. What the? I don't know what the heck was I doing in here. I hope I didn't spill no paint or nothing. But anyway, let's get into the cleaning. My water out of my sink gets pretty hot. You see the steam, right? So we're just gonna use that. I'm not even heating up water. I'm gonna use like a half a scoop of this powder Tide, and then we're gonna get a half a scoop of borax. Ooh, a little more, but that's okay. It's all right. Oh yeah. And I'm going to add a little more hot water, just a little bit. It don't really matter what you start it up with. I just want it to mix. Okay. I'm really tempted to throw something else in here, but I'm not, because we want to see how just the borax and the Tide does by itself. Now, if I need to add my baby draft, because y'all know my baby draft is my go-to stain remover. Okay? We're going to pour this in the carpet cleaner. My carpet cleaner, she is a Hoover. She got some age on her. I actually bought her used. Okay? Y'all know how I am. I'm thrifty. Now, she has her reservoir for her solution and her reservoir for clean water. We're going to take the solution and we are going to pour it in the solution chamber, and I'm going to use a funnel to do that. It's hot water, so we don't want to burn ourselves, okay? Let me get my funnel over here. And I've got my solution of my Tide and my borax. All right. And that borax is, ooh, Crystal, you spilling a little bit, but it don't matter, girl, because the carpet needs some water, so it will be all right. It's okay. all the bits in there. Okay. And it has a blue little tinge to it. Has a blue little tinge to it. All right. I want to move the camera so y'all can get over here on the spot. Let's see what it do. Okay? All right, classy people. We're getting down in the carpet dirty trenches. This is the stain over here in this area. Can you see it? She's still here, all right, in this area over here. I'm trying to get y'all a good angle, okay? Give me a thumbs up if you appreciate my hard efforts. All right, so this is the dirty spot, all right? I want to give y'all a good view. What's that right there? I don't know what the heck that is. That might be, knowing me, it's probably some darn glue from a project, okay? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is either. All right, but this is the big old spot. We're gonna work on that first. The carpet cleaner's gonna be loud, so I'm gonna put y'all some music on. I don't know if I'm impressed or not. Let's flip the camera around. I still see it. It's a little better, but I still see it. I think I'm gonna have to pull out the baby draft, or I need to spot treat it with the borax and the Tide. What y'all think? I'm about to put some baby draft on it. Yeah, I am. I'm about to do it. Cause see, that baby draft, this is one of my white cleaning cloths. Let's give it a minute. A few seconds. Let's run over it again. we do have some dirty water. Okay. Got some dirty water in there. I don't know. What do y'all think? First of all, what we got to consider is that this house was built in 2000. So the carpet is as old as the house. Yeah, and I've been making stuff in here, so you don't tell me what that is on that floor. I'm gonna just be honest, okay? So I'm gonna run over it, and I am going to let y'all see an after. I mean, I don't feel it's dramatic. I feel like it's a little better, but I don't feel like it's dramatic. So yeah, that's my take on it. What do y'all think about it? Rag a little bit, so let's just run over with the carpet cleaner and let's just see what okay. About to take this off. And we about to expose the dirty water. The dirty of it all. Ooh. We about to expose the dirty water. Water's definitely dirty, y'all. Ooh. Good Lord. Let's get all of it. Now I know my carpet cleaner might not clean as good as I wanted to, but honey, that water dirty. Well, classy people, that's it. That's all for the carpet cleaning. What's my results? It's okay. I'm not going to say I'm overly impressed because it didn't remove my stains. But is that the Tide and the Borax's fault? Or is that my fault? Because I don't know what the ham sandwich the stains are. So I think it's my fault. But I think also, I feel like I need a new Hoover. So if Hoover out there in YouTube land would like to send Crystal a new Hoover carpet cleaner, I would be much obliged to put it on my channel for all the classy people to see. Because I think I need a new carpet cleaner, y'all. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.